In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your Lightroom presets on a Wix website step by step. Whether you're a photographer looking to monetize your editing style or someone diving into digital products, this guide is tailored just for you. Let's start by heading over to Wix.com. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to create a Wix account. This account is your gateway to setting up and managing your new website. Once logged in, click on Edit Site. This will take you to the Wix website editor, the heart of designing and customizing your site. Here, you can make visual adjustments and start adding functionality. To sell digital products like Lightroom presets, you'll need the Wix Stores app. From the Wix dashboard, navigate to Apps and then Get Apps. Search for Wix Stores and add it to your site. This app is crucial as it facilitates the selling process. Once it's set up, go to the Wix dashboard, select Store Products, and click on Digital Files. This section allows you to manage digital items like your presets. Click on Add New Product and choose Digital File. Here you will upload your preset file, which can typically be in zip or DNG format. Now, it's time to detail your product. Create an enticing title, such as Moody Lightroom Preset Pack. Then, add a description to highlight the style and benefits of your presets. Set a price, considering whether you'll offer them for a single purchase or as part of a bundle. Don't forget to add cover images or mock-ups that showcase the before and after effects of your presets. Visuals are a powerful selling point. Next, ensure that your payment methods are set up. Go to Settings and then Accept Payments. Enable options like Wix Payments, PayPal, or any other supported gateways that fit your needs. Enter your bank account details for receiving payouts. A variety of payment options can make transactions smoother for your customers. It's also essential to have a compelling sales page. Add a specific presets page to your site menu. Utilize features like before and after sliders to demonstrate the impact of your presets. Include customer testimonials for social proof and make sure to have clear call to action buttons like buy now or download instantly. Before launching, make a test purchase to verify the payment and delivery process. Ensure that the download link is sent to your email or a customer's email, and check that the file can be easily downloaded without issues. Finally, let's talk about promotion. Share your product pages across social media platforms, email newsletters, and even your blog. Use promotional tactics like discounts or bundles to boost sales. Additionally, optimize your website for SEO to attract organic traffic. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to selling Lightroom presets on your Wix website. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to reaching new customers and growing your digital sales. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new online store.